we're going to learn how to calculate Fibonacci number using the golden ratio. We use Binet'S formula. So what is Binet'S formula? Binet'S formula is equals to Fn, open parenthesis 1, plus radical 5 over 2, close parenthesis to the nth power, minus open parenthesis 1 minus radical 5 over 2 to the nth power, all over radical 5. So this is the Binet'S formula. So now, since we have to find the value of F19 or the Fibonacci number of the term 19, again, we have to let n is equals to 9. So right now, we just have to substitute all n's in the formula with the 19 since we let n is equals to 19. So now, we change the Fn to 19 and 19 and then 19. So we have to substitute all n's with the 19. So that's what we are doing here. Now simplify. F19 is equals to open parenthesis 1 plus radical 5. So if we were to calculate or use the formula in open parenthesis, F19 is equals to open parenthesis 1 plus, what is the value of radical 5? So if you're going to use your calculator, the value of 5 is radical 5 is 2.236. So that is the value of the radical 5 over 2. Close parenthesis to the power of 19. Minus, open parenthesis, 1 minus, again, what is the value of our radical 5? The value of our radical 5 in calculator, so if you're not sure or if you don't believe me, you can use your calculator to find its value. So the value of radical 5 is 2.236 over 2 to the 9 raised to the power of 19. F19 is equals to 1 plus 2.236 is equals to 3.236 over 2 minus, open parenthesis, 1 minus 2.236, that is negative 1.236. So the value of radical 5 is 2.236. You just have to copy that one. Okay, again, we have to simplify it again. So F19 is equals to, what is 3.236 divided by 2? Use your calculator. 3.236 divided by 2 is equals to 1.618. That is already estimated, so it is round off to the third digits of the decimal point to the 19th power minus, what is negative 1.236 divided by 2? So the answer is negative 0.618 to the 19th power. We copy the value of the denominator all over 2.236. Okay. So again, we have to simplify it. 1.680 and to the power of 19, that is, what is the 19th power of 1.680? So if you were to use the calculator, the answer is 9,345.26 minus, what is the 19th power of negative 0.618? So you have your calculator there, try to compute. The answer is negative 0.0001. So it's actually longer than its number. I just have to estimate it to make it short. So I just use 4-digit number here. Then copy the denominator all over 2.236. Simplify. F19 is equals to 9,345.2,695. Okay, now here. Notice it's minus, it's subtraction, and inside the parentheses is negative. In the rule of integer class, if you were to simplify this one, you have to, okay, everything that is put under the parentheses means you have to multiply. So you have to multiply negative or the minus, multiply to the negative sign inside the parentheses, that will become positive. Now, the rule of the integer for the multiplication of integer, it states that if you were to multiply like sign, so what is like sign? Like signs means positive times positive or negative times negative. The answer would be always positive. That's why instead of writing minus here, instead of writing minus or subtraction, we use the sign positive or plus. Why? Again, we have to multiply negative times negative, and the answer would be positive. Okay, so it became positive, so plus 0.0001 all over 2.236. Simplify. F19 is equals to 9,345.2695 plus 0.0001. Use your calculator. The answer would be 2,696 all over 2.236. So if we were to divide that, the answer would be F19 is approximately equal to, so that sign with the curve equals, that is what we call approximately equal. So F19 is approximately equal to 4,179.4587, or if we were to round off that to make it a whole number, that's 4,180 or 4,181.